There we go. I made a mistake in the previous video. I said there was 8-box case breaks. It's actually a 4-box case break. This is case break number 7 of 4 boxes, or break number 7 of 4 boxes of Sterling football. Team drill was done already. It's on the website. It's tweeted out. It's on Facebook. Everything's everywhere. Everywhere. Sterling number 7. Okay. Good luck to you guys. Let's open this case up right here. And shut my phone off. Let's choose 4 boxes out of here. Ooh, 4 boxes. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I got 1 die here. Another die here. Let's see. So we'll roll the die. If it rolls higher than an 8, so if it rolls 9, we'll choose box number 1. Anything above 9 or above 8, box number 1. Ah, look at that, box 8. Ah, box 9. Right, Alex? Box 3. So that was 1, 2, 3. And 5, which is this box right here. Cool. That's your break right there. Just go back into the box. There we go. Box number 1, Bowman Sterling. Good luck. What a sweet treat. Yes. Alright. Ooh, that was fat. Oh, that's a redemption. It's got a redemption in there. There's a patch autograph. It's probably that one up there. Cool. And your silver pack. I'm trying to learn from you, BT. Trying to learn from you. Dion Jordan. Come on, focus. Dion Jordan. Geno Smith. Woo! Geno Smith, rookie. Wow, only 2 base cards? Sick. Oh, that's why it has 2 base cards? I didn't feel that one. Look at that, BT, I fail. How about that? Kenny Stills and Kenyon Barner. Number to 75? 39 of 75. Wow, I fail. Dual jersey rookie autograph. What's up, Kevin? Very nice. Saints is Lenren 2004, and the Colts. Oh, no, this is Panthers. Panthers is Adam Grenrent. We'll be writing that off. The end. And we got a jersey card of Robert Woods for the Bills. Robert Woods for the Bills. Nice. Nice. Only 2 base cards in that one. Wow. Sure did a base card. Thanks, Tops. I'm not sure what he's got going for promo packs. Ooh, is Carl with a K. Thanks. I said somebody got in the football and let me trade it on this you got. Alright, Kenny Vaccaro. Vance McDonald. Andre Ellington. And we got a Jonathan Franklin jersey for the Packers. Maynard, 530. And our first single autograph, 96 of 99, Gavin Escobar. And Big Joe's face. Nice. Cowboys is Jumbo Gorilla. Pretty good depth case, huh? Dominion Full. Sayak. Eli Manning. Drew Brees. Chris Harper, black, 69 of 75. Alright. 975. The Seahawks, and we got our relic out of the back. Ooh, look at that patch. Oh, yeah, 29 of 50 for the Eagles. Matt Barkley. JBKB 8x3. Very nice. And for the Cardinals, Andre Ellington, 32 of 99. Almost his jersey number, almost. Cool. Aaron Millette, Corey Fuller, Barkevius Mingo, Blue Wave for the Browns, 18 of 99. Our autograph for the Steelers is Jarvis Jones. Our relic is Geno Smith for the Jets. The Jets is Paul Nunez, Steelers. Wildman, 2780. Yep, we got a redemption. There it is. DJ Hayden, Eric Fisher, and Zach Dysert. 3 rookies. Our relic is for the Steelers, Marcus Wheaton. Marcus, not Will Wheaton. Steelers again is Wildman. And we got an autograph redemption of Ryan Nassib for the Giants and Pitts Pirates 101. Pitts Pirates. Sick. Very nice. Thomas. Or Anthony. Anthony. Manti Tail for the Chargers. E.J. Manuel. And Matt Ryan. We've got Christine Michael. Worst autograph of the 2013 draft class. For the Seahawks. Celtic fan 33, and we got a one-colored bunch of Evgeno Smith for the Jets. Blue Wave, too. 116 of 125. Paul Nunez with the Jets. Very nice. A nice box. Overall, let's open that silver pack. Let's see what the silver pack looks like. Another Blue Wave. This one's for the Texans, though. Nice 3-color patch. 31 of 171. DeAndre Hopkins. Newcomb. Nice patch. Texans. Who's got the Texans? 1-1. The Jets. I said who had the Jets, right? Paul Nunez. Con los Jets. Box number 2. Alright. There we go. We got E.J. Manuel, Matt Ryan, and Jonathan Franklin. Ooh, Prism or whatever it is. 2 of 25. Look at that. 2 minus 25 is jersey number. Sick. Thick. 2 minus 25 is jersey number for the Packers. We've got for the Bengals, Tyler Eifert jersey number 1214. 1214. The Bengals. And Bengals is Mike SCCA. And we got an autograph of Kobe Hamilton for the Bengals also. Nice little Bengal pack from Mike SCCA. A. Oh, we got Manti Te'o and Millette and Corey Fuller. Mike Gillisley for the Dolphinos. Mike Gillisley for the Dolphinos. Dolphinos is Sparky Spankhaven. Daniel. And we got an autograph of Kenny Don't Stand Still. For the Saints. Saints is Landran 2004. Alright, we got a Brandon Marshall, Justin Hunter, and a Marquise Goodwin Blue Wave 9 of 99. 9 of 99 Blue Wave for the Beals. Alright, our first card out of this pack, our first hit is Manti Te'o. Hey guys, you can see my picture, my face right there. Manti Te'o for the Chargers. Chargers is Amoye 25 and a Chris Harper for the Seahawks. Celtic fan 33. Chris Harper. Steadman Bailey. Jordan Reeves. Kenyon Barner Gold. 41 of 50 for the Panthers. And Barner's part of that dual autograph over there. Panthers. Adam Genrich. Oh, look at the nice Butch. DeAndre Hopkins. Blue Wave Butch. 65 of 99. 1-to-1, turn it up with them punches. And this guy has a chance of being a Rookie of the Year right here. Keenan Allen for the Chargers. Oh, again, a Moye 25. Tyler Eifert. The Leaning Tyler Eifert pizza. Eric Reed. And Derek Rogers. This guy was turning it up too. Derek, huh? Derek Rogers turning it up right now too. Alright, our first hit of this pack belongs to the Saints and Kenny Stills. Landren 2004. In the offseason? Isn't he with the Colts now? Ooh, look at that. T-Dub. Terrence Williams, 59 of 200. Very nice. For the Cowboys, Cowboys is Jumbo Gorilla. Isn't the Rick with the Colts? My mistake if I confused them. Oh, so why is he saying turn it up on the off season? Oh, in the off season. Oh, look at that! Oh, look at that! Didn't mean to show that. Oh, you guys have to wait like I do. Eli Manning base. Drew Brees. And Ace Sanders. Ace Sanders. Alright, for the San Francisco 49ers, Quentin Patton. Jersey. 49ers, Dak and J. Todd. And a 1-of-1 print plate autograph. Roberto Woods. Roberto Bosque. 1-of-1 for the Bills. Bills, right there. 1-of-1. There it is. Congrats, Bills and Carl with a K. Thanks. Nice. Nice. Congrats, Carl with the K. Thanks. Our silver pack contains one hidden card, and it's for the Steelers. Look at that jumbo patch. How about that one? That one looks nice, huh? 148 of 171, Marcus Wheaton. Nice. Steelers, Wildman 2780. Alright, let's go to box number 3. Box number 1. Lonnie Pryor, Jaguars. Chris Gregg, Bills. And Jamar Taylor, Dolphins. We got Julio Jones for the Falcons. Adam Grenert. Or Adam G. Rennert. Oh, she's pregnant. Look at that. Our autograph is a blue wave of Ace Sanders for the Jaguars. Bryce 808. 89 and 99. Very nice. Very nice. Pack number 2, box number 3. We got Jamal Charles. Cameron Newton. Super Bowl bound Cameron Newton. And Colin Kaepernick, not Super Bowl bound. 9 of 99, blue wave for the Niners. Very nice. Look at that patch. MJD for the Jaguars. Tearing this up. Bryce 808. Prismatic Rainbow or whatever it's called. 14 of 15. 3-color patch. MJD. Refractor Rainbow, whatever it's called. Look at that, another veteran right there. Jeez, this product is loaded with veterans. Haloti Ngata for the Ravens, 24 of 50. The Ravens, Bast Rocks, in black. Very nice. Haloti Ngata. I say haloti, you say nata. Haloti? Why is the G silent? Who said the G silent? Zach Ertz, Robert Woods, and a gold Colin Kaepernick to go with the Blue Way one. 44 of 50. San Francisco 49ers, Dak and J. Todd. All right. For the Cowboys, Joseph Randle, jersey. Jumbo Gorilla. Young. And for the Seahawks, worst autograph in the 2013 draft class, Christine Michael.
All right, so Jimbo Fisher leads the Seminoles to the BCS title. Florida State then, as a whole, atop the Capital One Cup championship.
Seahawks is Celtic fan 33. All right, Jordan Poyer, Jonathan Franklin, and Landry Jones. First relic, first hit, Vance McDonald. For the 49ers, Dak and Jay. And Justin Hunter. We've got a fan of his in the room sometimes. Justin Hunter for the Titans. Very nice. Titans is T.L. Beretta. Mike Glennon for the Bucks. Peyton Manning for the Broncos. And J.J. Swat for the 1 and 22 Texans. Relic card, Le'Veon Bell for the Steelers. Wildman 2070. They won 2 games? Alright, I'm sorry. And Jonathan Franklin, jersey autograph for the Packers. Maynard, 530. Very nice. Congrats, Maynard. Le'Veon Bell, Christine Michael, and Tavon Austin. For the Packers again, Maynard 530. Jonathan Franklin. Franklin stacking up. And for the Cardinals, gold! 3-color patch for Stefan Taylor, I mean. 13 of 75. Cardinals. Dubar, 44. Very nice. That's a nice card right there. For the New York Gigantes, 133 of 171. Ryan Nassib. For Pitts Pirates, 101. One-colored jumbo patch. All right, on to box 4, the last box of the break. Redemption. That's got to be it right there. Scared me. I didn't hear the door. I hear the car alarm. I was like, oh shit. Monty Ball, Aaron Dobson, and a DJ Hayden, a black, 59 of 75 for the Raiders. Those Raiders East, the R74, and another Green Bay Packer hits, Eddie Lacy. For the Packers and Maynard, 530. Along with a Tyler Bray Blue Wave rookie auto. Tyler Bray for the Chiefs and Violet Petals, 38, Dana. Nice, Dana. Congrats. Football is next. Marcus Lattimore, Andrew Luck, and Shady McCoy. First hits for the Bills, Robert Woods. Robert Sporting Woods, recall with a K. And another, Andre Ellington. This one's black border, nice. 21 of 50. Andre Ellington. Cardinals, Dubar. I am too many people, Norland. Desmond Trufant, Josh Boyce, and Matt Barkley for the Eagles. 21 of 99. Blue Wave. We got Jordan Reed with a sick punch. Jordan Reed for the Redskins, 2 of 75. Redskins, Big D, 9095. Nice one. For the Bengals, Blue Wave, Ben Jarvis Green Arrows. Ooh, veteran autograph. The law firm here. Pack number 4. Marquise Goodwin, Kenyon Barner, Mike Gillisley. Seahawks, Christine Michael. Seahawks is Celtic fan 33, and for the Bucks, Mike Glennon, relic autograph, 35 of 130 for the Bucks. BF of say X1. Boyfriend, yep. BFF. Dez Bryant, Joe Flacco, and Nuke DeAndre Hopkins. All right, we got Landry Jones for the Steelers. Steelers, Wildman 2780. And our redemption is autograph Blue Wave Refractor, Marcus Lattimore for the Niners, and Dak in J. Nice. Last pack of the break before the silver. Tyler Bray, Ryan Swoop, Jarvis Jones. For the Patriots, Aaron Dobson. MD Pitt 21 out of 1214. And Maynard 530. There you go. Gold Eddie Lacy. 8 of 75. That is an 8. 8 of 75 gold. Eddie Lacy. Maynard 530. And a silver pack. The San Francisco 49ers. Vance McDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. 53 of 171. 49ers, cool. We got one random to do. Let's do that real quick right now. We got Saints and Panthers. Saints, Ghost, Panthers, Ghost. Alright, let's hit the randomizer 3 times. Team on the top wins a card. 1, 2, 3. The Saints. Saints win the dual autograph Kenny Stills and Kenyon Barner card. So right here. There we go. Cool. Thank you, everybody.